them don't catch one Uber driver with 2 drug trafficking people. They catch these people with waiting cocaine for inside Muritala Mohammed Airport. Now, wow, since when Uber driver self start to do cocaine business? The talk say this Uber driver wey im name na Lawal Tunde-Rashid. The talk say they catch him for Satchel Export Shed. This one where they inside Muritala Mohammed Airport. They say him bring consignment, him bring market. Come carry say he want export this thing go Malabo. This one where they for Equatorial Guinea. Now there he say won't carry this thing go, but as they scan this thing. Now 150 grams of cocaine now they find inside. And if you now see the packaging of this thing, and I go shock the kind of package wey this man do. He put them inside air freshener container. Not be even the spray one, no. That rubber will be say they close. Who go even think this kind of thing? Because me as I dey like this, I no go even fit think himself say now cocaine, now they inside that thing. But now waiting this man hide inside this thing, no. Nigerians, our great Nigerians. In fact, our brain now for good, bad things now good for. Mumu things now they do. And as they catch this man now based on investigation, now there they can see say he gets leader. Now there this man where he name na Egbo Emmanuel Maduka. They go catch this man for house. Some people, you sit down for your house, they flange you. Go send Uber driver. And some Uber driver making a day careful. Now go carry package. Now no go know what's in there inside. Now go deliver. I'm not sure saying the matter because as this one be blessed, this man know what's in carry. As the whole investigation they go. Now I can lead us to this Mr. Emmanuel. And as they do this investigation, they talk saying, this man, he get one time where this NDLEA people, they catch. They see one package where we say now hair attachment they take plate hair. They see cocaine inside. But as the investigation they go, they talk now this same Ebo Emmanuel Maduka. Now he still gets this kind of market. And the same market, they still go this Malubu. Now this same place, now these two things they go. That is the air freshener, they go that same place. That is the hair attachment self, now this same location, now they go. Mama I call the time say, police, now no go think go, and now no go use our brain now. This package now where they go this place. Why on no find this picker? For this Malibu, for this Equatorial, making a fine person who won't go pick this, making a arrest him. Because himself, if he be the distributor for that place, so he go to do all these kinds of things, but he no go even know. Even this Emmanuel say with the cat, if he still get or guy will be say, he no go even feel use his mouth. Talk. But before this thing, people they really get mind. In fact, now they shock me. But as it be like this NDLA people, they really work. They do their work well because apart from all this whole picking, they still can't catch one man where they call him Odogu James. This one you don't catch he put this drug inside him pint. And the one that says all these men pints where they wear. The pockets where they did, what did they put there? Now no. What did they really use the pocket where they inside their pants they do? This one they say now I carry this cocaine. Hide inside. You know see anywhere to put cocaine inside pants. You never call you something cover and say, maybe if I use something cover them, they don't go see him. As they say, they scan this man like this. Instead of the thing to the show, now cocaine, now I start to the show inside this whole thing. Now wow, since my Nigerian people, that's not creative rich. And I know say this whole cocaine matter now, as it be like this, they don't overcatch people. The way where they catch people now, on still know they learn. When I see they decide say, now cocaine I want to carry now by force to even get this money. This money when they do by force money, and still now they do and they see they catch now. But I no still want settle sit down for one place they do. And as the matter be, I feel say they don't even settle the necessary people. Because no be today people they carry this cocaine, that they always carry them. But if you don't settle the necessary people, now there you go say they don't boss you, they don't catch you. So as this matter be like this, now so they catch these people, but the Uber driver, now still they wonder. He don't know about this thing where in carry abi, he know about it. And we know say all this Uber now, so somebody will call you and come carry this market, go give this one. Make una dey careful, make una know wetin na dey carry because as e be now, you don't know who you go trust. If you even be say now your customer will be say he don't they work with you all this while. He go come put cocaine inside your market, you no go know. By the time we go see, now he go still set you up, say may they come arrest you. And no dey surprise say these people they even arrest you. By the time they go carry this cocaine, where all this cocaine they even go? Because he show me say I sure say they go they sell them, I be themselves they go even they use them. Because they never say they just keep and there say they won't go is and do it. My people, now they creative. I beg, making that they using our creativity for better things. No be cocaine matter. They don't overcatch Nigerians about this whole cocaine matter. It don't they too much. Nigeria now don't too much. Making a settle, making a rest small. Make another country self, maybe make another country self lead for this whole cocaine thing. No be only us, every day, bad name. But as it be na police station, they go carry them, these people go, abi they want to do, I don't know, abi their oga, abi their drug lord go come settle them. But as it be, they're there for police custody. Everybody wey know this kind matter, abi we don't hear of all this kind matter, because me, I know person where this thing don't even really affect well. I know one of our church member, in fact, she dey carry this thing, the day we even hear themselves are surprised, because na front of church, now this woman they always sit down for. I can't wonder, this kind holy woman, now they carry cocaine. It means say anybody now if you carry this thing, make na dey careful, make they no go mix on our market with cocaine, make they no come arrest na illegally, because some people feel even they innocent, they don't know wetin dey happen. As this matter be, na so as make I bring am, make na hear wetin dey happen for this our country Nigeria. Make una no come forget to like, share, and also subscribe to this channel. I go see you on for our next video. Hey Nigeria, we don hear another one. They talk say Nigeria don dey plan sell power, that is electricity power, to 4 West African countries. Power supply wey never even reach some Nigerian people, and then these people now they plan to dey sell. They talk say the acting managing director of Transmission Company of Nigeria, and e get one wey they call WAP, wey be West African Power Pool. They don't come hand to hand talk say Nigeria gets power supply wey they know they use again. Now, in fact, now today now they hear this one for the first time. Say they know they use am again, say they plan say they won't sell am. This man wey name na Engineer Sule Ahmed talk say 4 countries need this thing. Where be waiting? Naija, Niger, I don't know, Togo, Benin, and Burkina Faso. Say now these 4 countries now they won't carry this thing give up. And say because Nigeria no need this electricity, say the thing just dey there, it dey waste. Then they talk say Nigeria they talk to these 4 countries. Say they want send this unused electricity through 570 million North Core power transmission line. Say now what they want use, they send this thing. And Daily Trust now they confirm say, in fact, say every day 2,000 megawatts of electricity now that they utilize every day for Nigeria. So now as Nigeria can't decide say they won't sell this thing, how you want to be? I can't they wonder where we even did in Nigeria. Some people 2 years they never see light use. And I can't feel say when I want go sell this thing. So who? This country when they sell them to. See, Aje, that they even get light past us. This same Nigeria, that they get light steady past the country when I even go give. I don't understand how Nigerians, our government, they even think the thing where we need them more than these people. Now in a come outside they talk. What did this man talk now? He read say the power we'll be selling is the power that is not needed in Nigeria. So they get the one where they needed. I don't know where they put down. Then inside drum. I been a gorodon, they go keep that one. They're the one where they use again. Now they can't keep say they won't go sell. Say Nigeria has the greatest advantage among these countries because electricity is going to be exported from Nigeria's gen costs. From that, revenue is going to be enhanced and a lot of people will be employed in Nigeria. In which way, I beg? How this thing when I want to do? They give people work. How I want to employ people now? Because I know that now I want to employ people to go to work as NEPA agents. The one way can even shock me, they say they won't buy new generators to power them this thing. Because of say even the lights where we get, reach also. So they won't buy new generators to power this thing, to give all these 4 countries this light. Now, hey, government people. On ABT for if let's say they just look for another ways, another strategy to take thief this money. Because I don't understand. And I won't go buy Nigeria one day. How many years? Now no deciding I won't go buy generator. Now today, and I can't decide. For my street, during this COVID period, we no get like almost 1 year. I'm making a guess the reason. They talk say people go thief wire inside the transformer. They go thief ordinary wire because of that one. NEPA converse. Come carry the whole transformer they go. When we say they go just carry this wire, return them for us so gently and peacefully. They can't carry everything. It passed more than 1 year before they bring this thing. Now they won't come bring another strategy. This one they just they bomb money. People did their house for Nigeria. Now fuel now they use steady. 24/7 generator fuel and now they always waste. Now this thing one day when I confuse and I won't go sell them. When are they help for this country? When are they try even deceive? Later now will come outside they talk say the country good. If let's say just good for only honor because honor get money. On a feel they do all this thing. And I don't even need generator. And I go put what they even call them? Behind solar for house. And I go put them for the house they use. People when no can get money, ordinary even for they no fear afford. Now, that means this one if I give all this country light, that means Nigeria, in fact, 3 months now they go to share this light. If you continue get today, tomorrow na bariga na go. In fact, now we go come even suffer. If let's say this regime, now suffer next, they just want more come suffer for this country. Now suffer next, now they want more come suffer. And I know say most companies they leave go Ghana because of say waiting. Ghana they always get light. On I no think and reason am say people they come up because of say Nigeria no good. When I go try feast, now they add more problem. Now wow, in fact our country they even tire me. Make I go they buy my bag. Make I they even plant or pack. Blessing I go donate money for make I come out. On a while I don't too much for Nigeria. No matter to even tire me. As it be, that's why they bring her for now. Every day wahala. I know say you don't even tire on ourselves. But what we go do? Government say nothing the way they want to do. Make we find our own problem by ourselves. As they matter be, now so I bring them anything we na feel, making a write them for the comment section because I know say this net pattern, everybody they experience them. So this new thing what they do, it never even make sense. Ordinary what they even call themselves meter to share na problem. Even if they share them, even Ikeda disco, if they bring bill for you, headache now go first. In fact, your head go first lying bagay because the kind bill they go bring for you 15,000, 19,000 bill. When we say you never even chop like that for a month, they will come bring that kind of bill for you. Now wow, I know everybody they go through this kind nepa wahala. So anything where I feel, making a write down for the comment section. And making don't forget to like or share and subscribe to this channel. I go see you now for the next video.